get some masking paper laid down on this board, get all these parts laid out, get them wiped down, cleaned up, and start spraying. These pieces in here ready to go. I'm all cleaned up. Tack rag them real quick. There's I think I counted 29 pieces in here. And then I've got another 14 or so that I gotta do after these. These are all done now. And like I said, we got like I think I said 14 pieces in the video earlier. This is what we still got left to paint. It's a little warm in here though. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to get the rest of these painted today or not. We'll see. I'm gonna try though, just to get them out the way. Instead of pushing everything back a day, but yeah, it's warm in here. I think it's like 96 degrees inside the shop. You can see, look at my forehead, it's shiny. Yeah, it's warm. The air compressor ain't liking it either. So man, you wanna go get some food? All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna go grab some lunch. We'll be back in a few. Then I got some paint to do. Bars.
Twenty minutes later.
Go back to work. Ooh, get back. Go to work.
I'm sorry. What do you mean to do? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Up next, we got the tail lights, bumper lights, and the mirror lights. These all done. Did 2 coats of tinted clear and then a 3rd coat of just regular clear. They look a little darker on camera than they do in person, but you'll see the full effect once they're actually on the car and out in sunlight or got the lights on. They ain't that much darker, or they ain't as dark as the camera makes them look anyway. But then it's got some dust in it. It'll sand and buff out. Plastic lights and stuff always got a lot of static. There you can kind of see it's catching the light. You can see it's not really as dark as it looks in some angles, but it's gonna look good on there. We've got these last couple pieces in here that's going black, and then a bunch of other parts for some other vehicles. We got the exhaust tips, the grill center, and then the rear lower bumper diffuser, whatever you want to call it. And I got 2 more pieces after these that I got to do, but they're actually going body color, which is white. So yeah, about done with all the painting. I'll knock these out real quick, and then I might start putting it together today, or might be for the next episode. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All right, guys, we back. Another day. About to start getting this Bentley put back together. Got a lot to do. Let's get this day started. All right, we got the grill together. We'll get the emblem put on after the car is back together. But, we're gonna move on to the front fenders, get the headlight bezels in, the side markers, and the fender vents, and then we'll start getting the front end put back together on the car. Before we start assembling the front of the car, we're gonna go ahead and get this rear bumper cover assembled. Get this trim bezel right here put on, as well as this lower diffuser. Another day, tired. This weather definitely ain't helping. The rain ain't gonna stop us. Let's get back to it. Car up on the lift, wheels all pulled off. Got the calipers all back together. Did all 4 of them. Color matched them to the Bentley emblems on the front and the back of the car. Give it a little nice accent color. Wheels put back on, and then get the window trim and mirrors on, and this thing's ready to go. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed on the doors, and then get the trim put on this door and the door panel, and then head over to the passenger side. Do the same thing over there. Let's go. All right, guys. Today's the day the Bentley gets finished. Got a couple little things to do to it. One important little detail. And then get it cleaned up, I guess. And it's out of here. Oh, can't show you too much. Nah, not yet. All right, I'm gonna get these cars moved out of here and get on it.